Hello my darlings, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I conduct my face scrubbing process using apricot and tomato. If this is your first time in this channel or you've always been here and you've never subscribed, please remember to click on the subscribe button so that you'll be the first person to receive my content every time I create. Without further ado, let's move straight into the video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you've never subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to, because I want you guys to be receiving my content every time I post. Bye, love you.